There's so many different ways to cook venison backstrap. I'm going to share with you one of the easiest and best tasting recipes that I've found. Stay tuned. So here's a quick and easy venison recipe that I'm sure you're going to love. It's one of my go-to recipes for any occasion when I'm cooking a backstrap. When I process my deer, I typically try to cut the tenderloin into serving size pieces versus leaving it in one long strip of meat. This makes it easy for any recipe that I decide to make. For this recipe, you'll only need 3 ingredients. First, you'll need 2 cups of soy sauce, and I recommend regular soy sauce versus reduced sodium soy sauce. The salt in regular soy sauce adds to the flavor of the final dish. Secondly, you'll need 3 cups of dark brown sugar. Make sure you use dark brown sugar and not light brown sugar. And lastly, you'll need bacon. I recommend using the regular cut bacon. Don't use thick cut bacon. The thick cut bacon is going to increase your cooking time. What type of bacon you use is up to you. I found that the Applewood bacon works best for me. That's it. Easy, right? Mix the soy sauce and brown sugar in a bowl. Once blended, pour the solution into a Ziploc bag and then place your backstrap cuts in the bag. Lay your bag in the fridge for a minimum of 8 hours, but not more than 24 hours. Flip the bag over a few times during the refrigeration period. When you're ready, preheat your oven to 350. Take your venison out of the marinade and place them on a plate. Make sure you save your marinade because you'll use it again in a minute. Take your bacon and wrap it around your venison backstrap and secure it with a toothpick. Doesn't have to be pretty. And you just want to make sure that the backstrap is completely covered. Once you've wrapped your venison, place the venison wrapped backstrap in a roasting pan and then pour your marinade over the backstraps. If you like things on the sweeter side, sprinkle a little bit of granulated sugar over your backstraps. Now you're just going to place the backstrap in the oven for about 30 minutes. You may need to experiment with your oven time and temperatures. However, the most important thing is that you don't overcook the venison. Take your venison out of the oven and place on a cutting board. Let the backstrap rest for approximately 10 minutes before cutting. So there you have it. Another super easy venison recipe that I'm sure you're going to enjoy. Not hard to make, not a lot of prep time, and I guarantee you, your friends and family are going to enjoy it. Leave me a comment below and let me know how yours turns out. If you like this recipe, I'll put the step-by-step instructions in the description below. Until next time, take care.